In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money to your account in Japan using Wise. Let's begin by ensuring you're logged into your Wise account. If you haven't done this yet, take a moment to enter your login credentials and access your dashboard. Once you're securely logged in, navigate to your account overview. Here, you'll want to open your Japan account. If you haven't set up an account for Japan yet, don't worry, it's quite simple. You'll find a plus icon on the screen. Click on this icon to add a new account. Once the Japan account is set up, we're ready to proceed with the transfer. Now, locate your Japan account from the list of accounts you have. Click on the account to open it up. You'll see an Add button that allows you to initiate the transfer process. Click this button to start transferring funds. Next, you'll need to enter the amount of money you wish to transfer. Be mindful of the currency and the amount, ensuring you've got it right. One great feature to note is the payment method. You can change the way you pay by simply clicking on the Change link. This gives you the flexibility to choose different payment methods according to your preference. As you proceed, you'll notice that there are no fees for transferring your funds. Yes, that's right. It's completely free to transfer money from your existing Wise balance to your Japan account. What a great way to save on international transaction fees. After you've confirmed the amount and selected your payment method, click Continue to proceed. Wise may need to verify your account at this stage. This is a standard security measure to ensure your funds' safety. Once verified, you'll be asked to enter your full legal first and middle names in katakana. The same goes for your full legal last name, also in katakana. This step is crucial as it ensures that everything aligns with Japanese regulations. Take your time to input these details correctly before moving forward. When you've entered all the necessary information, click Continue. Wise will process your transaction and, shortly after, the money will be transferred to your Japan account. It's as simple as that, with no hidden fees or complicated paperwork. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully transferred money to your Japan account using Wise. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.